You think he ready for the Rotrex?
No, he ain't ready.
He ain't fucking ready, right? You bust his ass in Integra?
Hell yeah.
He don't want no smoke.
Oh, more than 2.
Look what's on the dyno today, bro.
Nah.
Look what's on the dyno.
I just got here, bro. I'm staying for this whole dyno session because I want to see the power. I might give him a car. I don't know.
I think you should give him a car to leave.
Yeah, because I know I'm going to dust this shit, bro. This shit.
Damn, you're the second person today.
Oh, yeah.
You and Kev.
Get the white hatch out. Get the white hatch out.
I'll get it out right now.
The day you get that car out is
Don't fucking play with me. I'll spread them cheeks right now, bro. Don't fucking play with
It's officially dyno day. We're gonna tune the S2000 with the Rotrex kit. You should be doing jumping jacks because the car's about to get out the shop.
Once you see this guy get in the damn car and I don't see the taillights anymore, I'll do my jumping jacks.
Why are you so pissed at me?
I want to know, Muhammad, come here real quick. Who put those 2 chairs in the trunk?
Me.
Who puts 2 chairos in a boombox in the S2000? Pop the trunk for me real quick.
Pop the trunk. Come here.
See him on Longworth.
Yeah. Wow. Thanks, Jamie. That's my boy.
I don't care. So what? I'm not ashamed of it. Don't mind
He
the
put
mess,
2
bro.
12s.
It's 10s.
10s? They look like 12s.
A voice amp and a bass amp.
What Jamie say? You remember seeing them shits in what? 96?
96.
Yeah, Jamie, what year did you see those shits? When was the last time you seen a set like that?
That was a Circuit City special.
Circuit City.
Circuit City special. Circuit City's out of business.
Yo, what did you do to this car? It's messy back here. I gotta clean this shit out. I don't got time.
I don't know. This car is like one of those cars that you see that comes into the shop and you're like, damn, what the hell happened to this from 06 till now?
If I knew that bullshit was in the fucking trunk, I wouldn't have worked on this car.
There is nothing wrong with my car. It's just
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, right?
Everything goes good in the engine bay. Everything's smooth until we get to the trunk.
You put mud flaps on what is it, STI?
Those are definitely Subaru fucking mud flaps.
Yeah.
No, because little do you guys know, this part right here on the S2Ks, they tend to fucking chip up. So I did that.
I need you guys to drop in the comments. What do you guys think about his mud flaps? What do you guys think?
The real question is, can we hear it later?
What?
Your music.
Oh, hell yeah. I got you.
Look how excited he
That
is.
works?
I got you.
It works?
I got you. Yeah, it works.
How do you guys feel about this? This looks like my old STI. You got those cardboard boxes still?
I think
I don't know. I don't know how I feel about them.
the only thing this thing's missing is some WeatherTech rain guards.
How much power your car made on motor?
235.
235?
Yeah.
So it made 235 all motor. It's gonna take 50 wheel to spin the charger.
I say 337 first pull.
337 first pull?
That's not bad. J-Rock only said you're gonna make 5 horsepower.
I say
That's probably too much for him.
he's got a lot of weight in the back right now, so he's probably gonna make like.
You see them fucking feet,
Listen,
bro?
man, I just gotta
Let me
work.
tell you,
Leave me alone.
Them motherfuckers right there are heavy as shit, bro. Like, no lie.
Yo,
Bro, you got heavy ass.
You got ball tires on the back of a 230 horsepower S2000.
New tires at home.
how did your tires even get like that?
Doing the burnout.
How much power are you trying to get out of here?
This car, at least minimum 4.
400?
It'll make 400. Guaranteed.
Jamie, put that motherfucker to 270 and leave it.
no.
Cause you already know what you need to do. Instagram post, I'm calling out everybody in New Haven right now. Meet me at Lone Wharf.
It's just S2000 and CT.
With some Mob Deep.
S2000s are not race cars. The only S2000 race car in CT is Bari, and that's it. Leave it up to Bari. You go to the car shows, okay? That's it.
Okay, but let me do me. I don't tell you what to do with your car.
Anyways, you guys drop in the comments. What do you guys think is gonna make horsepower wires, and if you like his mud guards. I don't know if you can call those mud flaps.
Honestly, I kind of do like them too. I ain't gonna lie.
Fucking go.
I kind of like them.
You both don't have
I kind of like it. Jamie, you like the mud flaps on here?
I gotta look at it.
I only did the same defenders.
I kind of like them. It looks like
It looks a little rally-ish. Like, reminds me of my Subaru, how I miss that Subaru. I miss that Subaru so much.
Put mud flaps on something. You better put some mud flaps on it. Them shits is danky. I don't even know
It's
what's.
kind of technically with a mud flap right there. That's factory. People that don't know about the side strip, it's technically a
I don't know. It is like 40 degrees out here. It's brick.
You show the people?
I didn't show them yet. That car?
Yeah.
Nah, I ain't gonna get there yet.
You gonna show them?
I'm gonna put that in its own video. That car is just great. Wish we had the AC working though. But
Why? It's fucking. You just complained that it was cold out.
yeah, but to make a dyno
You should
comparison.
just get a little bit of it leaving.
right.
Just show them this is tip. Not yet.
You guys ruined my car.
Baby.
You guys ruined my shit. Here's a real man spark plugs.
I have these plugs in my
Real
car.
man spark plugs. When you gotta gap your spark plug, that's how you know.
Whoa, I've never had
about
the
to get
gap
used to
spark plug.
gaps.
His balls finally dropped.
He said his balls dropped.
This is the most shit I've ever heard Jamie talk to me. That's crazy.
You care about your car, right? You care about your car?
I do care about my
These look like the same plugs that have been in here since I bought it.
No, bro, I changed.
Yo,
the
you
plugs
really
in
care
the
about your car?
I do.
Jordan, you worked at the dealer for a minute, right?
Nah, this shit's firing through the porcelain. Look at that. I called it.
Yo, look at that. You care about your car?
I do care about my car. I just don't change my plugs every 3 months.
Nah, that's been in there for longer than 3 months.
Yeah, it has. But I'm just
Yo,
saying.
lick it real quick. See,
Nah,
how long has it been on?
This shit dirty
You
as
won't-
fuck.
you
Came
won't
out
do
of
it.
his car.
That shit sounds good. That sounds pretty good. Yo, yeah, 315. Ain't bad. God damn. That just sounded a lot better. 403. 403, yo. That serpentine design ain't it though.
Nah, it ain't.
The belt be slipping. 403 after Jamie just put some spray on that belt. Some adhesive to make it stick.
Little sauce.
Oh yeah, yo Jamie, the wide band came out. 403, damn, that was like what, third hit? Crazy. 400 horsepower off the rip. And I thought that was first full hit.
Too much for him. Bro. It's crazy.
Way too much. Yo, Kev, I don't think you got a chance. So
Yes, he does, but it's too much. My boy Kev's gonna hook and book. This dude's gonna be shitting his pants. He's gonna be like, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
You gotta understand, this is my first tuned car and my first car that I ever made over fucking 2, 3, even 400 horsepower. All my cars, this is the first car I've ever tuned off the rip.
404. This might be maxed out for this thing. 403 previous hit, and then 404 just now. So that charger might be maxed out, bro.
That's not a bad thing.
Yeah.
That's not a bad thing.
Now I'm gonna tell Jamie to take out some boost.
Take a little off the
Take
top.
a little off the top. Bring it down to a little 260 or something. I think 404 is gonna be the final numbers on here.
He just can't wait.
He can't wait to get out of
Can't
here.
wait till he leaves here and nobody's around him. Like, I need to hide a GoPro in his car.
Lead foot that shit. So final dyno numbers on the S2000 are 404. So I hope you guys enjoyed the install on the Rotrex kit on the S2000 and the dyno footage from here. Make sure you like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys.